Today I show you how to reduce the time it takes for your iPhone to lock automatically when you don't use it. So you can lock your iPhone from the power button, from the side button by pressing it. The iPhone is locked and then you need to enter your passcode or use Face ID to unlock it. If you want your phone to automatically lock when you don't use it, especially when it's sitting on a desk like this, or even if it's in your hand but you're not using it, the iPhone is not used, even when it's in your hand or in a bag or in your pocket, the phone can automatically lock if you don't lock the phone. I'll show you in the settings. You open the settings up and here look for display and brightness right there. And on the display and brightness page, look for auto lock. That's the auto lock setting. Here you can change it to a higher value so it stays on longer, but the screen will stay on, so it will consume. Because the screen will stay on longer, it will consume more battery life. So this is a great way to preserve battery life. So you can set it even to 30 seconds. Usually I have it set to 1 minute, but I wanted to show you that you can even have it set to 30 seconds. So I wanted to show you that you could even have it for 30 seconds. So I have my iPhone, it's in my hand now, and I will show you that it will, even if I have it in my hand, it will automatically dim the screen and it will turn off, especially because it doesn't see that I am behind the camera. So if you see here, there is the Face ID. It's trying to scan right there. You see this little light, and now the phone is dimming. It's getting dimmed, and soon it should be turning off. So now it's off completely. The screen is turning off because I don't have the always on display, but if I want to start the phone again, if I want to start my iPhone again, I press the power button and you see the Face ID. It's already scanning, sending infrared light to detect the Face ID, and now it's unlocked and it's ready to use. So this is how you reduce the time it takes for your iPhone to be locked when not in use. When it's sitting on a desk, you can reduce this time so the screen, the display, it stays on less time and it saves you battery time. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you use the battery better on your iPhone. Also, this is a good privacy option. In case you leave your phone on a desk, it will automatically lock sooner instead of later, so someone can't open your apps. Now it's off. Screen is off and it's locked. And if I don't have the Face ID, if it's not reading the Face ID, it will ask for the passcode. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you reduce the auto lock time on your iPhone.